What is good? What is up, you guys? It's your girl T Marie here, and I'm back with another video. So I'm gonna be doing my morning routine, my morning skincare routine. Let's just make that specific. I am currently already kinda dressed for the day. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my head yet. I think I'm gonna just put my hijab on, and yeah, so we're just gonna see what happens. And yeah, y'all stay tuned, and thanks for watching. And while y'all right here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop some comments in the comment section below. And yeah,
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise.
and this is my morning skincare lineup. All right, so I already washed my hands. You already know, clean hands, happy skin. All right, so I am just gonna start off by using the Fenty Skin, the melt off. So I don't try to put too much. It be squirting out a lot, so be careful with it. And this is a oil cleanser. I use this because I double cleanse. Well, I don't know if everybody double cleanse. Like, skin is not my forte. Ask me something about hair though. But I double cleanse because that's what my sister told me to do. And she's an esthetician, a licensed esthetician, so I listen to her. But I found that I can't double cleanse with like regular face wash because it dries out my skin even more. So using the oil-based cleanser, it works. I do both, so you know. But I use the oil first, and it just makes my skin like not dry looking after I wash it off. So after I'm gonna wash this off, I'm gonna go in with the cleanser, and yeah. I'm using CeraVe, the cream to foam. It's for the normal to dry skin. They have like for different types, but this is like a cheap version. And then I have my like expensive one. Like I'm mixing on it, you know. Alright. So like you see how that is like, usually I would be dry right now if I was using like a regular, just a regular face cleanser. I don't know, it just, I guess it just like leaves some oil on there, you know, instead of just removing all of the oils that I place in my skin. Because usually with people who have like normal skin, normal to oily, because oily skin is normal skin, usually people who have skin like that, their skin produces oil. And for some reason, I don't produce oil. So I have to add it in there somewhere. Alright, so whenever I wash my face, I wash it like, I start off with warm water, but like on this last wash here, I ended with cold water. So cold water is good for the skin. Well, cold water is good for the skin, especially like drier skin types, because it doesn't like dry out the skin like hot water does. Right, and then after that I I'm just gonna brush my teeth real quick because I definitely never brush my teeth for the day. See, like usually I will be cracking right now, like literally, and I don't, it's dry, but like it's not as worse as it could be. Because y'all, when I say I have dry skin, like I'm not kidding, like scaly dry skin if I don't put no moisturizer on it. Alright, so I'm done brushing my teeth, obviously, but I'll just take some of this, the niacinamide toner by Good Molecules. It's a brightening toner. I take some of that in my hand, I just rub it, and then I just dab it in there. And I feel like this is really what keeps my skin like a even tone. Cause if I don't use a toner, I find that my skin does have lighter spots. I don't know if it's hypopigmentation or hyper. I get them confused. And then after that, I go in with the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Serum. It's a hyaluronic acid serum. It's supposed to help hydrate the skin. Rose quartz on it, and then right. And then after I do all of that, I like to, y'all already know what lip balm I'm using, the Aquaphor. I used to put this on my tattoos, but then I seen my sister using it on her lips, and I was like, I didn't know you could use it on your lip. And then I found the lip balm, like the little tube one, and this. I only use this at home. This is my home one for when I do my skincare. Okay, just wipe that off of my finger. And then I go in with the La Roche-Posay Double Repair. Just put a little bit on my finger here. Try not to do too much because y'all gonna see it. This is the only thing that I don't like about that La Roche-Posay is that it does this, like, but other than that, it moisturizes it well and it's affordable. So I got the Black Girl sunscreen. I like this sunscreen because not only does it protect my skin, but it moisturizes my skin. If you have oily skin, don't use this. But definitely for my dry skin folks, and I have really sensitive skin, so like I be touching my face, so I start breaking out and stuff. So yeah, I don't use anything that's like strong in my face. None of these is scented. I don't use none of that scented stuff. But this is the sunscreen, and I just rub that in. Yeah, I already know I gotta brush my eyebrows. I like it, y'all. Like, my sister was using it, but she has oily skin, so she can't use that type of stuff. She always trying out new stuff, and she always put us on. But yeah, that is my morning routine, and I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'm gonna close this out. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and put a thumbs up if you like this video, and put a thumbs down if you don't. And thanks for watching. Mwah.